Now, if you're over 40, I believe that starting a side hustle in the classic sense is actually a terrible idea. Now, if you have money to invest, then that's your money working for you. So I'm not really classifying investing your money as a side hustle. So that's something completely different. What I'm talking about in terms of side hustles is when you're trying to start a new business opportunity on the side. You're seeing all of these different types of things people are trying, such as buying and selling things on eBay, starting a garden business or something in real life outside in the open, where you're perhaps cleaning wheelie bins. Basically, all of these things that you see on YouTube channels saying, earn an extra $150 a day, earn an extra $300 a day, all of this crap. This is the type of stuff that I'm saying that you, as an over 40 person, shouldn't be doing. Now, if you're in your 20s and you've got no money, an abundance of time and energy, then yes, go out and try many different things and create different businesses and see what works. But as someone over 40, potentially over 30 as well, you've started to get some experiences and learn some skills already. So you already have a number of skills that you can leverage in a number of different ways. And we're in something that you may have heard of called the creator economy. And this is where basically it's the way that you monetize all of these different brands. And you'll see all of these big famous people such as Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson launching his tequila brand. And then you've got, who is that MMA fighter? Irish guy, can't remember. Conor McGregor. So Conor McGregor basically also created and sold his whiskey brand for, I think, over $600 million. So all of these people are leveraging attention. And this is what we mean by the creator economy. So what I reckon that you should be doing instead of starting a side hustle or looking for this shiny object syndrome where you see someone recommending you do something and you try and it doesn't work and all of these channels, what I'm saying that you should be doing is learning a skill that helps you take advantage of the creator economy. This is in-demand stuff. So if I tell you a little bit about my story, this will probably make more sense. Now, I've been doing and making money online for about the last 10 years. And I've tried many, many different things. I was in hospitality before, so I was literally retraining myself from doing everything in real life with real people and working face-to-face with people all of the time. Lots of staff, on my feet all day, not working on a computer, to suddenly retraining myself and being 100% online and literally having pretty much no staff or just the odd freelancer and the odd assistant. So literally just a solo creator, solo entrepreneur working for myself. And I tried just about everything. Now, I've made lots of money with affiliate marketing. I've made great money selling online courses. I've made good money with a small agency, but I've also had a huge amount of things that have just completely bombed. In fact, I would say most of the things I've tried over the last 10 years have completely bombed. So it's about finding those opportunities and things to double down on. But in the back end, that has always been consistent throughout this entire process of trying to find things that work has been YouTube. Now, YouTube has allowed me, because it's given me the attention to leverage, it's allowed me that traffic to be able to test and sell things, because it's much easier to leverage attention and sell products for it. And I always recommend that you start with the end goal in mind. So if you're creating a channel or something, it's good to know what maybe in future you want to sell people, even if you don't do it in the beginning. So that's just something to bear in mind. But in general, it's much easier to monetize attention that you get. So it's harder to get the attention than it is to monetize it. So what I'm saying here is, yes, any of us can create a product, come up with an offer, but without traffic, you're going to struggle to sell it. And yes, you could just jump straight to ads, but if you don't know, you haven't refined your offer and your product yet with free traffic, you may be wasting your traffic with the paid version later on. And most of us don't have lots of money just to throw at the wall to try and sell an idea for a product we've got in our minds. So being able to have attention and leverage that attention in the creator economy, even with a small branded channel like this and the faceless ones I've had in the past, that attention has allowed me the freedom to try and fail at things. So what I believe that people should be doing instead of creating a side hustle is to learn a leverageable skill. And that skill is mainly in the booming market that we have right now, which is the creator economy. So you want to be doing it in the creator economy. And what I mean by that is I believe that you should be starting some type of vlogging or YouTube channel. Yes, you could do faceless content if you want. I mean, you could use Instagram if you want. It's just that the likes of YouTube right now is absolutely booming, and this is where most of the money is right now. So if you can create simple vlog content, this is me just freely talking to the computer now. You could be doing it on your phone in any which way, shape, or form. And if you would like more training on creating a YouTube channel and getting set up, we have a completely free course. I will put a link in the video description. But by being able to tap into reliably creating content, even if you feel uncomfortable, it doesn't have to be polished anymore. People are craving authentic content these days, and 2025 will be the year of the vlogger again. We have gone completely 360, and we've gone back to where we were 20 years ago, where vlogging is now going to become a thing again as people crave authenticity. And yes, there'll be a huge boom with the AI in the faceless side of things still, but I think we're going to see a swing towards the vlogging style. In fact, we're already starting to see it. We've seen it in the last 6 months of 2024. So I think this is a booming opportunity, and they're also easier to sponsor. So if you're willing to get on camera and get used to learning this skill, you can just talk on any subject you want. Now, I will go into more detail in other trainings how I would recommend doing this, but by learning this skill, even all you have to do is very, very basic editing. Most of these tools do it for you these days. I use like AI recording. It's got a tool called Descript, and then I can edit by text just like it's a Word document. So the editing part isn't even complicated these days. There's no excuse for not doing that part. You just have to be willing to get on camera. Now, I understand that for language reasons or confidence reasons, some people wouldn't be willing to do that, but that's why it's an in-demand skill. It's an unfair advantage. If you are willing to do it, or at least use your voice in the beginning, you will have an opportunity. You could just record on your phone, wear sunglasses so you feel more comfortable. You know, like all of these people, have something in front of you, be speaking to a microphone, have some barrier between you. But by being able to learn the skills of getting attention, so understanding how to grow and understanding how the algorithm works, then you will be able to monetize that in any way, shape, or form. And what happens is people will naturally come to you and want to work with you. Sponsors will come to you. This channel isn't very big and it's not getting a huge amount of traffic at the moment, but I still have people contacting me every day for sponsorship. So maybe, it's just a few $100s a video, but if you're making a few videos a week, you can still make a full-time living based off those sponsorship deals alone. So if I needed them, I could easily just take them. But there are so many different ways you can monetize. With affiliate products, you get ad revenue. You have merchandise, depending on the type of channel you've got, but it's never that much. You can sell online courses, coaching programs, sell your time. You can sell freelancing services or coaching still. And also so many different things for different sponsors and everything else. So once you leverage that attention, you carry authority and people will come to you. So that's what I mean by learning a skill versus creating a side hustle. The skill will give you what everybody else needs and wants. So everybody can create a business, but not everybody can promote it. So learn the leverageable skill of getting attention and eyeballs in the creator economy. Now, as mentioned, if you would like more free training on this, you can join our free community. The link is in the video description. And thanks for watching. I look forward to seeing you inside the next one.